ready?
Alright, buddy.
For the first time. You ready? I'm putting you in the chair. Don't get mad. It's the bumbo. Look what Mama has. Look, Bubby. Get ready.
Dude, get away, son.
What you think? Maybe we need a little more liquid. What'd you think of that? What'd you think? There's your cereal. It's convulsing.
I'm sure he knows. Yeah, it doesn't look very good either, buddy.
I'm always gonna mix a little more liquid in.
I wouldn't eat it.
Thickened up as it was sitting there. Hey, buddy. Wow. Sit back. Sit back. Open up. Oh, you're funny. You're funny. Try it.
Oh, that face does not. Oh.
You're spitting it out, buddy.
I don't think he likes it. Is he eating any?
Yeah.
Are you sure? Because
He's gotta get used to it.
yeah. That's like
It's an acquired taste.